Hey guys, just thought I might make a quick video about hooking up a 300 series steering wheel with the paddle shifters onto a 2023 model SR5 Hilux. Now, the trickiest bit about this one was it's a direct fit physically. The trickiest bit was the wiring, but once we've got that figured out, it's pretty simple. So on the aftermarket, I believe, steering wheel for the 300 series, they have this little harness here that goes to the paddle shifters. Green wire here is for upshifting, yellow wire here is for downshift. These ones here, originally when you buy the steering wheel, are D-pinned, but if you have a 23 model, I believe, they will be plugged straight into this little pin here that goes into the clock spring. There's existing pins behind this clock spring here that already run straight through to the shifter here. I believe this wire here and this center wire here, the green one, one is for your upshift, one is for your downshift. That runs all the way through here. It's an existing harness, which is great. All the way through to here for your upshift and then your downshift. And that's basically all you need to get it working. Yet to test it, but I will show you a video of it once it's done. Alright, and the last piece that I might just mention is there's basically 3 wires for the paddle shifters. 2 of them go into those slots I pointed to earlier, but there's one neutral wire that needs to go in, connect and bridge out with this pink wire here in that slot basically to provide your ground. But yeah, aside from that, now they are basically all working. Right, a quick little video of how they work. Basically, they do nothing when you're stopped. As soon as you start moving, you can use them, shifts you into the gear there. And then yeah, so it just shifts like how you'd expect, but it basically works the same as the S mode on the shifter. You can just go into the limiting gear, so like 5th gear for example. When you do use them, it basically just goes either downshift or upshift, whatever you select from the current gear you're in. And then yeah, it works the same when you chuck it into sport mode. Still select the gears, and then you also got the gear selector that you can still use.